Nagaya ka daw namin. Hindi ko naman dinideny.
Ano yung pinaka tumataas talaga when it comes to bags? Top 3 brands.
Merong pyramid kasi ng bags. So, number 1.
Kahit sa akin, number 1 yung dami ko natutunan. Parang nakamit ako ng ako. Sa bags nga lang, di ba? What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Meron tayong papunta guys na guest for today. Aspiring vlogger din guys. Another day, another bag naman daw siya. Ha? Si Purse Mason pupunta dito. They told me that they wanna trade some watches. Check natin kung ano yung gusto nila. Hi! Hello ma'am! How are you? Nice to meet you po. Please come in, come in.
Hi, I'm Jayan, owner of Purse Mason. Actually, nagtitiktok din ako, inspired by paring Hi. You day, you bag. Hi.
Sinabi ko naman kanina, di ba? Aspiring vlogger yan. So you have 2 watches here that you want to trade? Okay.
Actually, ito, binili ng best friend ko. So gusto niya i-keep yung isa.
Tapos yung isa, ibebenta niya. Okay, sige. Let me check. Everything is here naman. The tag, the links. So is this brand new?
Both brand new. And then may plastic kasi yung isa. Nilagyan lang.
So these are both for trade. You're trying to trade them?
Only one.
Only one? Okay, isa lang. Mamimili ako dito sa dalawang to. And you're trading them for what watch?
For Batgirl.
For a Batgirl.
For my husband.
Gusto mo ng Batgirl, sir?
Para pwede daw kami
Which is ito na pala na-prepare na pala ni Brother Elliot.
Kasi siya yung videographer ko.
So,
para ano daw, gift ko sa kanya.
As a videographer? How did you start with mga luxury bags naman?
Actually, na-inspire kami. First kay Boss Toyo. Then you came. Pwede pala to sa mga luxury.
Yes.
Kasi akala namin, hindi siya papatok sa masa. So, nung nakita ka namin, wow, super na-inspire kami. And some of them are commenting na ginagaya ka daw namin. Hindi ko naman dinideny, di ba? Kasi ginaya ko yung intro mo, new day, new bag.
Okay lang yun. Gano'n naman talaga. Kala ko nga another day, another bag. But it's fine.
Ayan na, it's fine daw.
It's not about ginagaya, you know? It's about more inspired. Inspired siya. Check ko lang tong dalawa. Ito muna. Initially wanted this one. However, this doesn't look bad. It's nice. It's a rhodium dial. Diamonds. Seems unused naman talaga. So this is new. How much can you give this for?
So yung retail niya around 720.
Mga ganun. Yung retail niya. For this one, baka matalo yung best friend mo eh. Yun lang yung ano ko dito eh.
How much ba?
I would get this for 570.
570. 600 daw.
Wait, trade naman pala dito, di ba? So let's try to check what's the best I can do for this para win. So this is a 2022 model. We're selling it for 1,028,000. This is a very nice condition watch, and not only that, it's complete. So I'll just try to compute, make sure everything is best price natin dito. So I can do yung from 570, gawin ko siyang 600 as is yung price sa trade value. 1,028,000. Add ng 428.
Okay nga ka dun.
Okay ka na doon?
Not bad daw.
Not bad?
Ang bilis.
Done deal? Okay na ba? Done!
Bilis.
Done! Diba? Ganun kabilis, guys! Ano to, ma'am?
Galing to sa Greenbelt, Hermes.
Hermes. Nabigyan ka!
Yes, before. So I got this year 2018.
How much yung mga ganitong purse ng Hermes?
Retail, nabili ko to around 517.
But for Hermes, always more than the SRP.
Pre-spend requirements. So
Yes.
nag-times 2 pa ako dito.
Para lang makuha to, exactly. And how much would the market would be for this one?
Ang market nito around 1 million pataas.
Nagdoble. Kahit bags, guys, nagdodoble. Itong ganito, madam, Kelly Messenger bag. The reason why I got this kasi ito lang daw yung Hermes na Kelly for men.
Actually, first time ko makakita.
Really?
Yes. So,
Bili mo na 1,000,000. Ito, sinusuot ko lang to pag pupunta kayo. Para malakas dating ko, pare. Suot ko yung Hermes ko. So, in the Philippines, ano yung pinaka nakikita mong tumataas talaga when it comes to bag? Top 3 brands.
of course, Hermes,
Of course, number 1.
Chanel, and now yung Goyard
How
na
about Gucci? Yun na, no? LV naman, I think they had couple of issues with the quality. Quality, di ba? Same with Dior.
lahat ng LVMH na brand na owned ng LVMH may issue sa quality.
Dami ko natutunan. Parang nakamit ako ng ako. Sa bags nga lang, di ba?
Si Hermes, di ba? Iba siya top notch. Merong pyramid kasi ng bags. So, number 1 si Hermes.
Kahit sa akin, number 1 yung Hermes. Maraming salamat, ma'am. We'll talk again. Abangan nyo, guys. Paring Hive Studios.
It's an honor.
Sige. Thank you, ma'am. Maraming salamat. Sana si Purse Mason mas lumaki pa talaga.
Like Gentry.
Ay, tama pare. Yung done deal na jacket, of course, para sa'yo. Maraming salamat, ma'am. Thank you. More power.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ayun guys, done deal. First Mason, maraming salamat. Grabe guys, no? Nakita nyo, naka-inspire tayo na isa na gumagawa na rin ng mga videos about bags naman, sharing value, information to the public about bags, which is very nice. I know I don't mind kung gagayahin ako daw. Guys, huwag tayong ganun, huwag tayong crab mentality. Kahit gayahin ako as long as it brings success to them and to the public, then why not?